Namaste. Hello dear friends. In this video we are going to discuss what is the basic theory of Hatha Yoga. Dear friends, let me remind you one thing, that we are not going to discuss about what is yoga or what is Hatha Yoga, but we are going to understand what is the basic theory of Hatha Yoga. Have you ever heard about the basic theory of yoga? Maybe not. According to Indian culture, Kriya Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, Dhyana Yoga, these all are part of the lives of the people there who were born in and brought up there, then later who follow teachers, masters and gurus. So in India, one day if an individual decides to initiate himself or herself to yoga, the traditional way is first get the blessings of a master, of a guru, then practice under his guidance. That's enough there. Because the culture of India is called Sanatana Samskara or Sanatana culture. Yoga is a universal religion, yes, but if you are born into another culture, another tradition, but at the same time if you have a great passion for yoga, then this video is for you. Welcome to this video course. But if you are planning to simply start Hatha Yoga practices without understanding the basic theory of yoga, what can happen after a certain period of time is confusion, worries and a kind of frustration. These negative energies can enter again into your mind because of lack of understanding the basic theory of yoga. Hence, there can be lack of clarity, confidence and vision. According to any culture, any country or any tradition, there is a basic theory for everything. To practice anything, first we have to understand the basic theory of an art. For example, anybody can go to the market and buy a fishing rod and start fishing in a river or a lake, but not sure that everybody will bring the fish their home unless we learn the basic theory of fishing from someone who is an expert in fishing. Likewise, to ride a bike, to drive a vehicle, to cook food, to sing and dance, in anything, better first we get the basic theory of an art. Some people are born with the instinct to practice many things in life, but just instinct and passion are not enough to grow up in the path which they have chosen to walk along. The process of so-called initiation means surrender to a teacher who can create a strong foundation inside of you to follow undoubtedly the path you wish to walk along. But if you have already started anything without understanding the basic theory, then you may share with others what you have taken from the open world. In the end, you may remain as you were before. So, what is the basic theory of yoga? We know that there are different energies exist in our society. In the same society, there are different types of energies. The energy that we can feel in the market or crowded places are different from the energy that we can feel in the countryside. The energy that we feel in our home is not that we feel in the temples or churches or monasteries. So first we should understand what is the quality of our true energy, where it truly belongs to, why it's stuck and stagnant. So yoga means union. The first yoga happens to an individual by understanding the different energies that exist in our own society. Then make sure that first union will happen with the right place where our energy truly belongs to. This way the first yoga or first union will happen to an individual or a seeker. Then the second yoga will happen when you get the clarity and the vision about the inner conflict that's going on within us. So the basic theory of yoga explains these fundamental basic things on the path of yoga. Hello friends, for the further informations and lessons, please click the link below in the description. Thank you.